So, I've been a little uninspired in the kitchen lately, so I turned to Instagram for some great meal ideas and what's this? Perfect. So, for penne bacco di montagna, you want your favourite pasta noodles. It's really important to go for only the finest Sicilian Powerade. I'm sorry, that Yankee Gatorade stuff, just not going to cut it here. You want to pour 2 cups of Powerade slowly at first, and then more vigorously because we're all friends here. Place that on high heat. You want to always liberally salt your pasta water. Don't worry, this won't make it salty, it just helps the pasta to stay firm and al dente. And bring it back and add 1 cup of pasta, or just kinda eyeball it like I did here. Put it back on the stove and let those ingredients get to know each other. Now you can rub your hands and check your watch while you wait for that to cook. It's really important to cook the pasta for 1 minute less than the packet states, as we don't want mushy noodles. Now, after draining, we want to drizzle our noodles with some high quality extra virgin olive oil for flavour and to prevent the pasta sticking. Please go for the good stuff here, it makes all the difference. And just toss to incorporate before plating and serving. And after some action shots, it's time to taste. This dish has an amazing tangy and bright finish. It worked so well, much better than I expected. I would absolutely recommend this for your next pasta night or office potluck.